I'm Diette, and welcome back to another episode of What's Off My Hook? In today's episode, I am so excited to share with you my crocheted purse. Oh, let me tell you, friends, this purse I did using the V-stitch. I started off with a chain of 30. That's the bottom of my purse. And then I went ahead and crocheted 20 rows of V-stitches. Then I decided I wanted to change colors, and I did 5 rows of white, and then I changed back to green. Using 1 row of V-stitches, I then moved on to just single crochets. Once I got to the top, I said I need a handle. Using the green and white, I decided to double both of those colors together and crochet, using the double crochet, just 8. Using 8, I decided to continue crocheting until I got the length that I like. So this purse, as you can see, is a perfect fit for hanging out, going out on the town. I truly love my crochet purse. Tell me what you think. If you like this crochet purse, definitely let me know in the comments below.